Planet roll call. 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury, here, number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus, here, number 2, shining bright, just like new. Earth, here, number 3. Earth is home to you and me. Mars, here, number 4, red and ready to explore. Jupiter, here, number 5, largest planet, that's no lie. Saturn, here, number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here, number 7, a little planet titled high in heaven. Neptune, here, number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. Before we begin this lesson, we will each need 2 yellow beads, 1 orange bead, 2 blue beads, 2 green beads, 1 pink bead, 1 purple bead, and 51 black beads. Each student will need 1 long string with 1 yellow bead tied to the end. Students, follow along with the video on how to make your necklace. As you follow, you will hear facts about each planet. Galileo was the first astronomer to find out what the universe is made of. He built a telescope and used it to look at the universe. He studied the planets and noticed that they circled the sun, not like the earth. Galileo studied Earth's moon and discovered that the moon was not just round. He discovered that it had mountains, valleys, and craters. Galileo discovered many important things about the universe. After the sun, put a black bead, and then put an orange bead for Mercury. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury takes 59 days to make a rotation, but only 88 days to circle the sun. This means that there are fewer than 2 days in a year. Put a black bead on, and then put a blue bead for Venus. Venus is the second planet. It is the solar system's brightest planet. Put another black bead and then put on a green bead for Earth. Earth is the third planet. Earth has more exposed water than land. 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. Put on another black bead and a pink bead for Mars. Mars is the fourth planet. It is known as the red planet. Put on 4 black beads and then put on a purple bead for Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. A day on Jupiter lasts only 9 hours and 55 minutes. After the purple bead for Jupiter, put 7 black beads with 1 green for Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet. It is famous for its beautiful rings. After Saturn, put 12 black beads with 1 yellow bead for Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet. Uranus's axis is at 97-degree angle, meaning that it orbits lying on its side. Put 22 black beads with 1 blue bead for Neptune. The 8th planet is Neptune. Neptune was discovered in 1846. In 2011, it finally made its first lap around the sun since discovery. 1 Neptune year lasts 165 Earth years. After Neptune, put 3 black beads on your necklace and tie it. Enjoy! Here's what your necklace should look like. Next, you will be watching an example of what your iMovie could look like. Remember, you will need 4 facts about your assigned planet.
The planet we will be talking about today is Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the Sun and is the most distant.
There you go.
The planet Neptune takes 18 hours to make one rotation. It takes 164.8 Earth years to travel one time around the Sun. It gets about 42 years of direct sunlight. The rest is complete darkness. Neptune has large storms that whirl through its upper atmosphere.
Go.
The largest storm on planet Neptune lasted 5 years and was called the dark spot. Only 1 spacecraft has flown by planet Neptune.
Go.
That was just some of the amazing facts about planet Neptune. Now go make your own iMovie about your planet.